Okay, so let's talk about how to add the switching code to an HTML site. I am here on the home page of leecoleonline.com. Now this is basically just a website that I use to demonstrate stuff. Okay, so with people who buy our products or with potential business clients or current clients, whatever, this is a place where I can put stuff and show them stuff. What you're looking at is the home page. This is an HTML site. So how would you actually add a switching code to this site? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to need an FTP file. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, an FTP program. I like FileZilla. It's free. It's super easy to use. So let's get FileZilla up here. Here's FileZilla. Now, in order to log into my host, see, this site is on a host. Okay, it's on my HostGator account. When you're looking at FileZilla, these are the files on my computer, on my hard drive. These will be the files on the host. You'll put the cPanel login information in these three boxes. So you would put the root URL of the installation. So here I would put, in my case, http://leecoleonline.com. And then you would put your username and password that you created. And this is exactly what you would do to log into your cPanel. So when you created your hosting, you should have got this. Forget the port. You don't need that. You should have got this, and you put that in there, and you hit Quick Connect. Okay. Now, to save time, I've already connected here. Okay. Same thing. I just went ahead and connected. Now, over here, I'm on my desktop. Over here, I am at the okay, but when I connected, I would have been right here, okay? So the next thing that you do is you need to find the public_HTML folder. That contains all of the files that are publicly available for viewing via the internet, okay? So you want to find that. Now, for an HTML site, that folder is going to have a file in it called index.html. So you want to get that, right-click, and you want to download that to your hard drive. Now I'm currently on my desktop, so we're going to download that to my desktop. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is get that HTML file, index.html. That one, after you download it, and you want to open it up in a file so that you can view the contents of it. Now you can open it up in Notepad. Personally, I like Notepad++. It's got a little more functionality, and it's free. So if you will Google Notepad and then the plus sign and the plus sign, you will find Notepad++, and you can download that to your computer. Here's my HTML, index.html file that I just downloaded. Let's get this where we see it. Opened up in Notepad++. See, the cool thing about Notepad++ is it gives you all these color codes, so you can easily read this stuff. Now, this site here already has a switching code on it, but let's assume that it didn't. Okay, so you're looking for this ending head tag. Everything that you see in an HTML site starts with this body tag here, forward on down. Okay, that's the stuff that you actually view on the site. But there's a ton of information about a website that's contained in the head portion of the website. And the head portion of the website goes from here, the opening head tag, to, where'd it go? The closing head tag. So you want to take that mobile redirect text that you downloaded when you exported the files for the site, and you want to open that up in you want to open that up in Notepad++ also. And you want to grab the entire contents of that file, and you want to put them right here just before the closing head tag. Okay, you can see where I've done that right there. That was the redirect text for a site I was experimenting with. So I took that text and I put it here. It doesn't specifically have to come exactly just before the ending head tag, but if you're kind of new to this, then put it before just before the ending head tag, because that's easy for you to find. Once you do that, you're going to save the index.html file. Now, when you save it, it's only saving it on your hard drive. It is not saved on your host. So once you save it, you want to go back to your FTP program. You want to find it right here. This would be that file on my hard drive, and you want to upload it back up to here. So what you're going to do is you're going to say upload, and then you put it back on your site or your client site, and that right there is how you put the switching code onto an HTML site.